大家好，今天我们一起来看另外12个汉字。Hello everyone, today let's look at our another 12 characters. The first one is 明, and its radical is 日, is the sun, right? And we can see the right part is 月, means the moon. So 明 is a sun plus a moon. So its meaning used as an adjective bright or brilliant or clear. So when you have the sunlight and the moonlight, so it's very bright, right? It's very clear. So 明, we have some words 明白 here means understand. 明白, you have made something very clear, you have understand something very well. Used as a verb or an adjective. 白 means white. 明白 understand. 明亮 means bright. 亮 actually means very bright. So 明亮 means bright. And the opposite word is 黑暗 means darkness. 黑 means black. 暗 means dark, not so bright. 黑暗 means dark. And here 明天 is tomorrow. 明, you can imagine that it's a shift from the sun to the moon. So 明天 is tomorrow. 天 day. 明天 the next day, tomorrow. Now let's try to write 明 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 明 have 8 strokes. 八画. Next one is 关 It has the meaning of close. It's a verb. And the next meaning is the relation. It's a noun, relation. So the first word 关门 means close the door. 门 is the door, right? 关门. So in this sense, the opposite word of 关 is 开 means open. So 开门 is open the door. And the next one 关系means the relation. So in the oral Chinese, you may have learned this. 没关系 means it doesn't matter, no problem. So no relation, no problem. And the next one, 关心 means consider or concerned. You can use as a verb or a noun. Consider or consideration, concerned. 关心 here 心 means heart. So you related your heart to someone, so it's consideration. Okay, now let's try to write 关 together. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 关 have 6 strokes. The next one is 点 Its meaning is a dot or speck or spot, point. 1点钟 means 1 o'clock. And the next one 特点means characteristic. 特 actually means the special, specific. So 特点 special point, right? Special point is the characteristic, the feature. 特点. And the next one 要点要means when you use as an adjective, it means the important. So 要点 means the main point, the important point. 要点 So now let's try to write 点. And its radical is the 4 dots of water, 4点水. Okay, now let's try to write 点。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9。So 点 have 9 strokes. 点。The next one. The next one is 想，想。And its radical is the heart related 心, so it's the heart related, and it has the meaning of think, speculate, or you plan something, you consider something. So here, 我想周星期六去北京。I'd 想 means plan, or I'm thinking of 星期六 means Saturday. 去 go to 北京 so 我想星期六去北京。I plan to go to Beijing on Saturday 星期六。And the next one 想法 means idea. 法 means law. So you're thinking a law, you're thinking something in mind. It's your idea, right? 想法 Okay, now let's try to write 想 together. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13。So 想 have 13 strokes. 13画。The next one is 日。It's a very basic one. It means the sun, or the day, or the daytime. 日 So 5月7日 means the 7th May. 月 means the month, right? Month. 日 means day. So 5月7日。The next one here, 星期日 means Sunday, and 星期天 also means Sunday. And you can also say the 礼拜天 or 礼拜日 also means Sunday. 礼拜 and 星期 in Chinese means a week. Okay, now let's try to write 日 together. 1、2、3、4。So 日 only have 4 strokes. The next one 机。Its basic meaning means the machine, and the second one it means the moment. Both are the noun, right? So 飞机 means the airplane. Here 飞 means the fly, 机 means the machine. So the flying machine is exactly the airplane. And the next one 机会 here 机 means the moment. 会 means also can mean some moment. So 机会 means the opportunity. Okay, now let's try to write 机 together. And its radical is the 木字旁。1、2、3、4、5、6。So 机 have 6 strokes. 6画。The next one is 本。Its meaning is simply the root, the origin, the source, or the basic. And you can see here, its radical is the 木, and it just add 1 stroke here, right? So you can imagine that this is the root of the tree. 木, and then you add the root here. So 本 has the basic meaning of the root and the region. And 根本 means the basic and the fundamental. It's a adjective or a noun. 根 is actually the root. 根 and 本. You also have the meaning of 根. So 根本 is the basic, the fundamental of something. And 本 can also use as a measure word. 一本书 a book. So you can use 本 to measure the book in Chinese. And now let's try to write 本. 1 2 3 4. So you write the tree and add the root 5. So 本 它一共有5画。And the next one is 前 Its basic meaning is in front, forward, or proceeding. And 前面 and we have the 面 right? 面 is the side and the direction. And 前面 so it's the front side. The before the side means in front. 前面. Okay, now let's try to write 前. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 前 have 9 strokes. 9画. The next one is 开 its meaning is very simple. It simply use open. So 开 or the initiate, begin or start doing something. In this case, for the open, so its opposite word is 关, right? So we just learn this 关. So 开门 open the door. 关门. And moreover, we also use the word 开关 in Chinese, means the switch. The on and off button means 开关. And 开车 means you initiate or you begin the car. 车 means the car, so you drive. 开始 means begin, used as a verb, begin. 始 also have the meaning of begin, so 开始 is begin. Okay, now let's try to write 开. 1 2 3 4. So have 4 strokes. 开. The next one is 歇. It has the meaning of little, few, or somewhat, a little. 一些 means a little. 一些. Okay, now let's try to write 歇, and it's a top and bottom structure, and its radical is R. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 歇 have 8 strokes. 有8画. The next one is 样. And its radical is the 木, is the tree related. We have a word here, 怎么样 means how about it. And 怎么 means how. So 怎么样 how about it, how. 我们去看电影怎么样 We go to 去看 means watch. 电影 means the movie, the film. So how about we go to watch a movie? 怎么样 Okay, now let's write 样. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 So young have 10 strokes 10画 The last one is 他 and its radical is the woman related, so this 他 is she or her, and we have learned the 他 for he and his, right? This 他 is the 单人旁 and the right part is the same 他 and for the girl you should use the woman related radical instead of this radical 他我认识他的妈妈 Here 我 means I 认识 means know 他的和妈妈 mom so I know her mom 我认识他的妈妈Let's try to write 他 together1 2 3 4 5 6 So 他 have 6 strokes. Okay, that's all of today's 12 characters. And see you next video. 下次再见，拜拜。